Inequalities. So what is an inequality? Well, so far we've studied expressions, which can be a combination of letters or letters and numbers separated by a plus or a minus sign and no equal sign. And then we moved on to equations, which are two equal expressions. And in this video, we're going to take a look at inequalities. And inequality, in means not equal. We're going to take a look at two expressions with a symbol that are they're not equal. Now when you're dealing with inequalities, these are the four symbols that you will see. And here we have four different examples of inequalities. Another thing about inequalities, often they'll have multiple solutions. For example, in this inequality, x is greater than 3. There's a lot of possible solutions for that. What numbers are greater than 3? Well, all the numbers on the number line to the right of 3 would be possible solutions. They'd be part of the solution set. 4 is greater than 3, 7 is greater than 3, 25 is greater than 3, even 3.01 is greater than 3, or 3.0001 is greater than 3. So there are multiple solutions, and we call that the solution set. So, would 0 be part of the solution set for this inequality? So if we replaced x with 0, would that be a possible solution? Is x greater than negative 11? Well, yes it is. So 0 would be part of the solution set. In the next example, would negative 6 be part of the solution set? Is negative 6 less than or equal to negative 7? Well, the answer there is no. It's actually greater than. So that would not be a possible solution to that inequality. In the next example, I'm going to replace x with 1. Is x greater than negative 1? Yes, it is. So that would be a part of the solution set. In our next example, I'm going to replace x with negative 6. Is negative 6 greater than 6? No. That would not be part of the solution set. I'm going to replace x with 2 here. Is 2 less than or equal to negative 2? No. Not part of the solution set. And in the last example, is negative 3 greater than or equal to negative 3? Well, it is equal to negative 3, so yes, that would be a part of the solution set. So how do you translate inequalities? This is pretty easy, and you're going to use the words here in the table to help you translate. In another video, we'll actually be graphing the inequalities. We're not going to do that in this video. So let's look at the first example. All numbers less than negative 2. All numbers less than negative 2. That's how you would translate that from words into numbers. All numbers greater than 14. All numbers greater than or equal to 0. All numbers less than or equal to negative 4. All numbers greater than or equal to 60. All numbers less than negative 13. So that's how you translate inequalities. Let's do a few questions here. Which number is a solution for the inequality below? So which one of these choices would be part of the solution set? Well, the only number that's less than negative 8 would be choice C. That's a possible solution. Negative 9 is less than negative 8. Let's look at another one. Which number is a solution for the inequality below? Well, let's just try 12. I'm going to replace x with 12. 12 divided by 4 is 3. Is 3 less than 4? Yes, it is. But just to be sure, let's try choice B. Choice B is 16. I'm going to replace x with 16. 16 divided by 4 is 4, and 4 is not less than 4. So that is not part of the solution set, and the choice would be A. Translate the following. All numbers greater than or equal to 10. Which one says all numbers greater than or equal to 10? It would be choice C. All numbers greater than or equal to 10. Translate the following. All numbers greater than 7. All numbers greater than 7. All numbers greater than 7. And we'll do one more example here. Translate the following. All numbers less than or equal to 6. All numbers less than or equal to 6. All numbers less than or equal to 6. So that's what inequalities are, how you translate them, and how you find numbers that are part of the solution set.